In this video, I will show you how to delete contacts on Telegram. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Telegram. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner, press onto these three lines to open up a menu. And from here, you want to come down and press onto contacts. So what you can now do is select the contact from your contact list that you want to delete. So for example, let's take this person here. When you actually press onto their contact name, it's going to open up the message chat with them. So once you're on this screen, what you need to do is come up to the top and you actually want to press onto their profile name at the top of the page. Now what that's going to do is load up some information about this person, and from this screen, if you come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three dots, what you then want to do from this menu is come down and press onto delete contact. What's going to happen when you press delete contact is you're going to get a pop-up screen like this saying, are you sure you want to delete this contact? All you need to do is simply press onto delete. As you can see, that's now been deleted from my contacts. So that is how to delete contacts on Telegram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.